My name is Shamina Bibi. I am 22 years old. I'm from Tuvurara settlement. We started at 2025, and this assistance has given to my mom for her farming. She's lucky for the assistance. We have 30 ducks and maybe 60 chickens. We are selling live birds. Female $25, male $60, and chickens depend on the size. When we sell our poultry, they always come here to buy. We don't take to them. They just came here and they take their poultry. My advice for people who have land, please utilize your land for more income to come. Otherwise, you just give it to lease for other people to use the land for their farming. The assistance that given to us, it's very helpful. It helps us for plenty of needs. Thank you so much, agriculture.